Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best electric egg cookers. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Tired of overcooked yolks, undercooked whites, and waiting forever to boil eggs? Making multiple eggs at once on the stove can be messy, inconsistent, and time-consuming. If you want perfectly cooked eggs every time, without watching the pot, there's a much easier solution. Meet the Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker, a compact electric egg cooker that can prepare up to 12 eggs at once, plus poached eggs, omelets, and even steamed vegetables. This egg cooker holds up to 12 eggs, letting you cook soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs in one batch. It also includes poaching trays and omelet trays, so you can make breakfast in multiple ways. The automatic shutoff feature prevents overcooking and adds safety. With measuring cup markings, you control firmness easily by adding the right amount of water. The BPA-free trays are safe for food use and easy to clean. It also doubles as a vegetable steamer, making it more versatile than a regular egg boiler. Compact design means it fits easily on small kitchen counters. Pros: cooks up to 12 eggs quickly. Multiple cooking options: boil, poach, omelet, steam. Easy to use with automatic shutoff. Compact and lightweight. Cons: plastic trays feel a bit lightweight. Water measurement required for perfect results. Not ideal for very large eggs in full capacity. This is perfect for busy families, meal preppers, gym users who eat lots of eggs, and anyone who wants quick breakfasts. It's also great for small kitchens, dorm rooms, and office use. At $33.99, the Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker offers strong value, replacing boiling, poaching, and steaming tools in one compact device. Number 4. This is the Elite Gourmet Digital Egg Cooker, a compact one-touch egg cooker that prepares up to 6 eggs with multiple cooking styles including soft, medium, hard-boiled, poached, omelet, and even onsen tamago. This cooker handles up to 6 eggs at once, perfect for small households. It features a digital one-touch menu, making operation simple and beginner-friendly. You can cook soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs with consistent results. It also supports onsen tamago, ideal for Japanese-style soft eggs. Included trays allow poaching eggs and making omelets. The audible alert with on-off option notifies you when cooking is done. Built-in auto shutoff prevents overcooking and improves safety. Its compact size fits easily in small kitchens, dorms, or offices. Easy to clean removable parts make daily use more convenient. Pros: simple one-touch digital controls. Multiple cooking modes including onsen tamago. Compact and space-saving design. Audible alert plus auto shutoff safety. Cons: only 6 egg capacity, smaller batches. Plastic lid may feel lightweight. No timer display countdown. This is ideal for singles, couples, small families, and dorm users. Great for quick breakfasts, meal prep, and anyone who wants consistent eggs without watching the stove. At $29.99, the Elite Gourmet Digital Egg Cooker offers good value, especially with digital controls, multiple cooking modes, and compact convenience. Number 3. This is the Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker, 6 egg capacity, a compact electric cooker designed to make soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs, plus poached eggs and omelets with automatic shutoff. This egg cooker prepares up to 6 eggs at once, perfect for daily breakfast needs. You can choose soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs with consistent results. It includes poaching tray and omelet tray, adding more cooking options. The auto shutoff feature prevents overcooking and improves safety. Simple water measuring system helps control egg firmness easily. Made with BPA-free components for safer food contact. The compact vertical design saves counter space. Stainless steel heating plate ensures fast and even cooking. Removable trays make cleaning quick and easy. Pros: compact and space-saving design. Multiple cooking modes: boil, poach, omelet. Auto shutoff for safety. Easy to use and clean. Good for daily breakfast prep. Cons: only 6 eggs per batch. No digital display or timer. Water measurement needed for perfect results. This is ideal for singles, couples, and small families. Great for quick breakfasts, meal prepping, and dorm or office use. Perfect for anyone who wants fast, consistent eggs without stovetop cooking. At $29.99, the Evoloop 6-egg rapid cooker offers solid value. You're getting boiling, poaching, and omelet cooking in one compact appliance, saving time, space, and effort for everyday use. Number 2. This is the Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker, 6-egg capacity, a compact electric egg cooker that makes soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs, plus poached eggs and omelets with automatic shutoff. It cooks up to 6 eggs at once, perfect for quick breakfast prep. You can choose soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs with consistent results. Includes poaching tray and omelet tray for versatile cooking. The auto shutoff function prevents overcooking and adds safety. Simple water measuring method controls doneness easily. Made with BPA-free components for safe food use. Stainless steel heating plate ensures fast and even cooking. Compact space-saving design fits small kitchens or dorms. Removable parts make cleaning quick and convenient. Pros: compact and lightweight design. Multiple cooking options in one device. Auto shutoff for safety. Fast and consistent egg results. Easy to clean removable trays. Cons: only 6 egg capacity. No digital display or timer. Requires water measurement for accuracy. Great for singles, couples, and small families. Perfect for busy mornings, meal prep, and quick protein snacks. Also ideal for dorm rooms, offices, or small kitchens. At $29.99, this Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker offers strong value. You get boiling, poaching, and omelet cooking in one compact unit, saving time, counter space, and effort for everyday use. Number 1. This is the Hamilton Beach 6-in-1 electric egg cooker, a versatile kitchen tool that cooks hard-boiled eggs, poaches, makes egg bites, and even includes a mini skillet for omelets and frying. This cooker offers 6-in-1 functionality, making it more than just an egg boiler. You can cook hard-boiled eggs quickly and evenly without using a stovetop. It also works as a sous vide-style egg bite maker, perfect for protein-packed breakfasts. The poaching tray lets you prepare soft poached eggs easily. It includes a 5.25-inch nonstick skillet for omelets, scrambling, and even frying. Nonstick surface helps prevent sticking and makes cleaning easier. Compact design saves counter space while adding multiple cooking options. Simple controls make it easy for beginners to use. Durable aluminum and plastic construction keeps it lightweight yet sturdy. Pros: true 6-in-1 multi-function cooking. Includes mini skillet for frying and scrambling. Great for egg bites and breakfast variety. Compact and easy to clean. Non-stick cooking surface. Cons: smaller skillet size limits portion. Slightly heavier than basic egg cookers. No digital display or timer. Perfect for small families, singles, and breakfast lovers. Great for meal prep, quick morning cooking, and high-protein diets. Also ideal for dorm rooms, small kitchens, or office use. At $32.95, this Hamilton Beach 6-in-1 cooker offers strong value. You're getting an egg cooker, poacher, egg bite maker, and mini skillet all in one compact appliance, saving both space and money. Check the link in the description to see the latest price and availability. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick product reviews.